Hey y'all, my name's Dora, and today we're painting loose watercolor hibiscus flowers, 8 total, 1 open face, 3 angle views, 3 side views, and 1 bud. I'm going to show you an image, or the source of inspiration rather, at the beginning and end for each flower. So the shape of a hibiscus flower is kind of square round. The petals are very full and there are no gaps in between them. Here I'm just adding some darker pink on the edges of the petals just to add interest. The stamens will be done at the end of the video when all the flowers are dry. Notice the 3 lines I just painted. You may find this helpful. The lines let you know where the petals are going to be and also what shape they're going to be. I am using a small pointed stylus here to score in the veins of the hibiscus flower. This is your choice, but I feel like it makes the flower look better and it definitely makes the hibiscus look more realistic. If you notice, the image is a side view, but I painted this hibiscus more at an angle view. That's the beauty of loose flowers. You can paint them however you want to paint them. You can pick and choose the features that you want and the ones that you don't want. I am so sorry, guys. I really had trouble with this hibiscus. In the end, it did turn out beautiful though. Again, I'm sorry. I just realized that the petal to the left of it was much taller, and the middle one's always supposed to be tallest in a round angle view like this because it's in the back and the other ones are coming down, so they're going to be shorter. So again, I apologize. I know it looks like the paper's too small and the flower is probably gonna be all messed up on the edges, but actually no, it fit. I made this flower fit to the T. Like, it's actually perfect. That's the one that's in the picture in the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos and ideas.